How do you find out if someone is a fake friend? This is a tough question for me. Just like a toxic relationship, most people don't realize they are in one. When I was going through a breakup, my then best friend avoided me for days. When I confronted her, she said I was too emotional. Worse, she warned all our mutual friends about me being dramatic. And that's how I realized that fake friends don't just hurt you, they make you feel like you are the one to blame. I've learned my lessons the hard way. But looking back, they made me a stronger person and taught me how to love myself. If you are struggling in a fake friendship, here are some red flags to spot them. I hope by going through the list, you can run a health check on your friendship status. If someone hits most of these fake friend signs, it's time to walk away. Signs of fake friends and unhealthy friendship. When you truly care about someone, you reach out to them. Communication is a two-way street, and neither of you should do all the bending. The low level of participation is one of the major signs of fake friends. If you feel like you are always the one making efforts, chances are your friends don't really care about you. And you shouldn't either. They only reach out when in need. Fake friends only show up when they need something from you. For example, you haven't talked in days, but they would call you for a lift to the airport, or ask you to walk their dog's. Friendship is mutual. Remember, you don't owe your fake friends anything. And real friends don't just summon you. Your time is more well spent to have fun alone than wasting on your false friends. You feel like an outsider. If you have a bunch of friends who never ask you out, or worse, avoid you, you may want to reconsider your relationship with them. The truth is, real friends will never make you feel like an outsider. They don't just ditch you because you live out of town. If that's the case, they are not taking this friendship as seriously as you do. Fake friends can't see you win. Real friends support each other through darkness and celebrate each other's triumphs. They are happy about our achievements. Fake friends, on the other hand, are those who get salty and jealous when you succeed. So watch out for those who don't clap for you. They ditch you for a boyfriend, girlfriend. You know each other so well that you think you are BFFs for life. But once they get into a romantic relationship, you don't hear from them at all. The thing is, friendships are as important as any relationship. And real friends know how to balance between them. If they treat you like a doormat, be smart enough to cut them off. Liars. Friendship, like any relationship, is built on a solid foundation of trust. If your friends lie to you, or worse, spread lies about you, they are not really your friends. And you don't need them anyway. They never defend you. True friends are like chosen families. They lift each other up and have each other's back. But when you befriend a fake person, she will never speak up when you need support. You are left alone to deal with misunderstandings or wrongdoings. You are belittled. Real friends will not look down on you. They won't call you stupid or ugly. They give constructive suggestions because they genuinely want you to make it. Fake friends, however, don't care how you feel. The more you listen to them, the more powerless you feel. Your goals, your dreams, and your talent are somehow invisible to them. Fake friends use you. Have you ever felt like you were a tool to your friends? Maybe they use you to get a girl's number. Perhaps they invite you to shop together so you'll queue for them. Or do they bring you on a road trip just to share the gas fee? Fake friends take advantage of you because they are not scared of losing you. So why should you? What are your experiences with fake friends? So here are the signs of fake friends. If you had similar experiences, how did you find out their true colors? Share your story in the comment.